Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a task dependent on another task in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into a project, then into a task that we have. And then in the top right corner, we have to tap on the three little dots. And here as the seventh option, we find make dependent. We can tap on this, and then we can search for another task that we have, and add this task to that as a subtask. So it will be dependent on that one. After that, we can just tap on done, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.